Hi, I'm David and welcome to David in the Drone. Today's walk is through Mote Park, which is local to me in Maidstone and really makes up my daily walk. But hopefully you'll get some drone shots today and I'll show you through the lovely scenery that's around it. I'll see you at the next one. That concludes my walk around Mote Park. Hopefully you've liked the shots and stuff that I got with the drone. But yeah, this is my local walk. I most likely do the same tomorrow, but it's great to have such a lovely location nearby to me. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you in the next one.